Welcome to Real Estate IQ Wisdom for Smart Moves, featuring Randy Zechman, the Chief Executive Officer of Clean Solar.
And why is clean energy vital for our future generation?
Yeah, so I think most people are familiar with global warming and all the things that cause that, and brown power not good and green power good, right? Like everyone I think is kind of familiar with that philosophically, but I think it's a little more than that actually. So if we think about how we are as Americans, we like to own things. People want to own homes, right? We want to own our car, right? And we want to and we want to do those things because we want to call them ours. And electricity is continually being taken away from us, or at least threatened to be taken away from us, right? And so to own that piece of it I think it's vital to the emotional core of who we are as a society here in America. So we clearly need to get rid of greenhouse gases. Clearly solar and wind and tidal generation and all that kind of stuff is all super important. But by the way, solar is not the only thing that people can do, and not the only thing that's going to get us over the hump, but it is a critical factor in that happening. And it's probably the easiest thing for a homeowner to do, that or maybe buying an electric car. Like those things are easily approachable, easily understandable to do. And so it's the way for people to feel like they're not only owning things, but also contributing to a greater good, right? And so I think all that is super important for not only, here in America, but the message that we send out to the rest of the world.
Check the full episode on our YouTube channel and on Apple Podcast.